Hello YouTube, Off-Road Troll here. Garage video today. For Christmas I received a set of Fang lights, or also known as accent lights, for my RZR. Gonna install them. First step, there's two T25 bolts that hold this cover on. Make sure you're in reverse on your ratchet. Just throw that anywhere. Next thing is to remove your hood. Set it off to the side, and there are 10 T30 bolts around the front end. Next thing you want to make sure you do before you pull the front end off is to reach up in here and unhook the headlights. Now the front end should just pull it off. Just like that. On the regular XP 1000s, the wires for these lights are just dangling behind the dash. On the turbos, they are wrapped into the harness. And you have to, my hand's in the way. They're wrapped in the harness. Focus there. And you got to unwrap them and put them through that hole. Same on both sides. This one's right here. Needs to go through that hole. Now that you got the front end off, you got these 6 speed nuts that need to come off, 7/16 or 11 millimeter. Don't lose these, you're going to need to reuse them. See, almost lost one. Once you get the painted accents out, take your new LED light, make sure you get the right side, or correct side, and then simply put them back in. Reuse the old nuts. And remember, these are just plastic studs. Don't over tighten them, you will break them. Once you got everything started, go ahead and snug everything down. Like I say, they're not going to snug too tight. Now it's time to reassemble the front end. Before you get too carried away, make sure you can plug your lights in. There's some caps that need to come off the wires. Plugged in. That one's plugged in. Go around the back, plug your headlight switches, or your headlight wires back in. Now just install the bolts. Well, let's see how they look. Alright, on the back, there's two T30s there, one there, two there, one on each side there, and then one there and one there. Well, as you can see, it's off. So same deal with the back as the front. You got to reuse your nuts and don't over tighten them because they are just plastic. And then right there's the plug.
money, but
Alright, plugged in and put the nuts back on. And we'll reinstall the rear end. Alright folks, how's she look?
the moment of truth. Oh! Man, does that look nice? Oh, goodness! Wow,
I like it.
how do you feel? That's great.
Yeah, that's great. Wow. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe to my videos for more content. And please check out Osborne Synthetics. Feel your win.